Guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I want to show you guys these tricks on Zoom, how to play these tricks. I will show you in a simple way you will understand. This is a double chance. So first of all, if you want to play double chance, which is a 12, for example, this is double chance 12. So follow this strategy. First of all, go to home and away. Look for all that has 8 here. For example, that has like, for example, 1.28 or 1.98. For example, that's 8 must be attached to it for this under. Home under, away under. The odd must contain 8. Let's see. Or odd that contains line 9 like this. As you can see, 1.09. You can play it double chance 12. Then let me look for the ones that has 8. 9 works, 8 works. For example, 2.28 here. You play this one 12. This 1.19, you play it 12. Each league, you can just pick like only two games on each league. 2 or 3 games, highest. 2 is okay on each league you come. Once you pick 2, you go to another one. For example, see this one, Man City. Let's go to their double chance. See double chance for Man City. You see double chance, you pick it. The other one, Wolves, you pick it, double chance. 2 is okay. Then you go to another league. This is how you play double chance using this strategy I'm giving you guys. This is Correct Bet. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share our video. All right, let me show you another tricks. This is for both team to score. Both team to score. This is how it works. For example, both team to score. Once you see something like this, something like 1.88 or 1.66 or 1.77, you play it. Make sure the no bottom to score doesn't has 9 on that particular odd you want to pick. Yes, for example, this one is 1.88. Make sure the no bottom to score doesn't have 9. So you play it bottom to score. But first of all, see what you are going to do. Go to the statistics. Let's see the statistics. The last game they play 0-1, then the 0-1 now. So they are here right now on home and the percentage is 14. So which means we are expecting goals from away. Then home we're expecting goals too. So this is why you pick this. Go. All right. Do this to other leagues except Serie A and League One. Avoid these two. Avoid these 2 leagues. Avoid them very, very well. Then another option I want to teach you is, once you come to this option, you see this option. Once you come here, see where you'll be targeting. Target something like this. For example, see something like this. Once you see big odd here, that is 5.85 is. Once you see big odd here like 12.50 or 18.50 or 19.50, and still see big odd for this side, this place I see 12.50, you play it over 2.5. Over 2.5, it's working perfectly on all leagues. But make sure you avoid Serie A and League One. Don't use it on League One and Serie A. So, but other leagues you can use it. It's working perfectly. All right, this is Correct Bet. And don't forget that app that I told you guys, that app that helps you to get high scoring games every day, is still available. It's still available and it's working perfectly. That app helps you anytime you want to play or pick games that have high scoring games like over 3.5, over 2.5. The app is working perfectly. There is a keywords that you use on that app. So once you are ready for that app, you chat me on WhatsApp. I will show you the keywords. First of all, you will sign in. Then the signing in is for free. Just download the app, sign in with your name. That's all. All you need is just make sure you have data. The app is free. You are not paying anything apart from the money you're going to pay to get the app. You're not paying anything again. Just get the data and use your app. Each day, make sure you search on it. I will tell you the keywords you're going to use to search on it so that you'll be getting high scoring teams every day, over 2.5, over 3.5 on it, both team to score 2 and straight winning 2. So the app is very okay for normal soccer. Then the app also teach you everything about Zoom Soccer. The app tells you how Zoom Soccer works, how the option works. So that's how the app works. So, but normal soccer, it helps you to get high scoring teams each day. You can get running tickets from the app. For example, you search for game for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday till Sunday. You pick your games and stake. All right, guys. Another one is also I have this small odds like 1.80 odds, 1.60 odd for rollover. It's still available for those that want to do rollover for these few days for Xmas. So it's available for you guys. In case any of you need it, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. Repeat, correct bet. Phone number for WhatsApp is 070-3676-0527. The number is showing on your screen here. All right, thank you guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you don't miss my new video anytime I post. This is correct bet. See you on the next video.